Hello, peeps. Welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. I would do my best to make this podcast better than the Bears' offense yesterday. Please make yourself a reminder. Don't forget. Homework tonight is page 33. Problems 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you show your work. TY. All right, today's podcast is going to be lesson 4.4, part 2. Quick review. We said if the line is going up and to the right, that is a positive slope. Memorize it. If the roller coaster is going up, Mr. Phillips loves that part of the roller coaster. That is a positive slope. Positive slope. If the roller coaster is not working for you, think of it as your grades. Your grades are going up. You had an F, then a D, then a C. You're at a B. You're trying for that elusive A, like the Cubs have been trying for the elusive World Series since 1904, but who's counting? Mr. Phillips hates this part of the roller coaster. It's going down, or your grades are going down. In either case, memorize this is a negative slope. If you don't want to go with the grades, stick with the roller coaster, because I'm thinking that this is going to be Mr. Phillips. And if you're unfortunate enough to sit next to him at Busch Gardens on the roller coasters, yep, you're going to be the recipient of all this, because I hate when the roller coaster goes down. Yeah, and then everybody behind us is going to be laughing at you. So you might not want to sit next to me on the roller coaster rides. Negative slope. All right, we talked about slope. It's rise of a run. Change in y over change in x. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. They mean the same thing. Variable m is your slope. We said don't stress. Relax. You'll have the formula on your reference sheet. New item, please write this down. If you have a horizontal line, a line that goes side to side, please make yourself a note. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. Always. If you want the mathematical reason, here's why. You have a run going side to side. There is no rise. This line is not going up or down. So since there is no rise, we put a 0 in for the rise. 0 divided by any number is, you got it, 0. There's your official answer. Memorize it. Next new item, write it down. If you have a vertical line, the slope is undefined. Vertical line, slope is undefined. Mathematical reason, too bad. You're going to get it anyways. There is no run. It does not go side to side. Since there is no run, we put a 0 in. We say in math if the denominator is 0, it's undefined. There you go. Horizontal and vertical. Alrighty, please write these ordered pairs down. Let's practice once more finding the slope given ordered pairs. We have 5, -4, and 0, 6. Please write down your equation to find the slope. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. First thing the crazy math teacher is going to do is he's going to label them. You should label them also. Doesn't mean you'll become crazy, but you should label them. Some of you are already crazy. I just won't tell you that. We'll think it out loud. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute. Plug and chug. I'm going to put 6 in for y2. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put in negative 4 for y1. And you guys are going to say, what in the world's up with the picture? Here's what I'm thinking. A lot of you out there are going to try to put 4 right here. Thanks for playing. That is wrong. It is a negative 4. It is a negative 4. So what I'm going to tell you is this negative right here is kind of like handprints in concrete. They're not moving. So make sure, oops, sorry, SRY. Make sure that if it is a negative, you put in the sign. This was a negative. I got to put a negative in here. This one does not count towards it. Set in concrete. BRB. Next thing I'm going to do, take out x2, substitute, put in 0. Next thing I'll do, take out x1, put in 5. Now, I notice right here that I have 2 negatives in a row. Anytime that I have 2 negatives in a row, correct, young grasshopper, it turns into a positive. So this is going to become 6 plus 4, which is going to give me 10. 4 minus 5 is going to give me negative 5. Positive 10, he's a spy, divided by negative 5. When the good guy is leaving town, everybody is sad. When the good guy is leaving town, everybody is sad. Or you could say positive divided by negative is a negative. So my slope for these two ordered pairs is negative 2. So somehow, some way, you need to think in your mind that you would have a line that looks like this because it is a negative slope. Thanks for watching. Da Bears.